All right, so get this. We are tapping into the brain of the crypto architect for your weekly dose of crypto insights. This guy's been in the game since 2016.
Wow.
Built his fortune from scratch, not once, but twice.
Really?
And he's learned a thing or two from every market dip along the way.
And that's key, right? He's open about his losses, which I think makes his wins even more impressive. It's all about learning and adapting in this space.
Totally. So he just dropped his latest rundown, and we're diving deep into the trends that caught our eye. Think of this as your cheat sheet for navigating the crypto landscape this week.
And what better place to start than with Bitcoin? We're seeing some interesting movement around stablecoins that could be a bullish signal for everyone's favorite digital gold.
Okay, for those new to this whole thing. Stablecoins are basically cryptocurrencies designed to stay at a fixed value, usually pegged to the US dollar. They're like the bridge between traditional money and the crypto world.
Exactly. And this week, we saw a massive influx of stablecoins being minted. We're talking a $10 billion surge. This often means people are getting ready to buy more crypto. And where do they usually turn first?
Bitcoin.
Bitcoin.
It's like everyone's lining up at the Bitcoin buffet with a pocket full of stablecoins ready to feast. This increased buying power could really push the price up. And get this, the SEC chair just confirmed once again that Bitcoin is not a security.
Right. That's big because it removes some of the regulatory uncertainty that's been hanging over Bitcoin.
Yeah.
But the stablecoin situation is what's really got me watching the charts closely.
And while Bitcoin's grabbing the spotlight, Ripple's been making some power moves of its own. They just minted 300,000 RLUSD tokens.
And that's significant because RLUSD is their own dollar-backed stablecoin. Remember, Ripple's whole mission is to make cross-border transactions faster and cheaper.
So are they saying, skip the banks, we've got you covered?
Potentially. If RLUSD takes off, your international money transfers could get a whole lot smoother and less expensive. It's like they're building a financial superhighway bypassing the traditional toll booths.
Okay, I'm getting major fintech revolution vibes here. This RLUSD thing could be huge for them. But you know what else caught my eye in the rundown? Hamster Combat.
Okay, you're going to have to explain this one because even I was skeptical at first.
Get this, it's a blockchain game where adorable little hamsters duke it out. I know, it sounds crazy. But hear me out.
Okay, I'm all ears. Convince me why Hamster Combat is more than just a meme.
All right, so it's easy to dismiss it as silly, but their 2025 roadmap is surprisingly robust. They've got big plans for expanding the game, adding new features, and even launching their own NFT marketplace.
Ah, now that's interesting. See, a roadmap like that is a signal to investors. It shows commitment and a long-term vision, which is crucial in the crypto world.
Exactly. It's like, hey, we're here to play the long game, not just cash in on a fad.
Yeah.
And speaking of fads, we can't ignore the cat token craze that's sweeping the cryptoverse.
Can you imagine the FOMO, especially with those rumors about a potential Binance listing for some of these feline-themed coins?
Right. Binance is like the cool kids table of crypto exchanges, so getting listed there is a big deal.
It's a massive stamp of approval, and it can send trading volume through the roof. So which cat tokens are on your radar?
Well, the crypto architect is particularly bullish on cats in a dog world. MUW, Mogcoin, Meluji, and Catacoin, K-Canary.
Those are some solid contenders. Though with meme coins, it's always important to tread carefully. Their value can be as unpredictable as a cat.
Totally. Don't invest more than you're willing to lose, especially when you're dealing with something as volatile as meme coins. But that being said, sometimes the risk pays off big time.
Case in point, Deng.
Oh, you mean the meme coin inspired by a baby hippo?
The one and only. It's a classic example of social media hype translating into serious market momentum.
Seriously, this little hippo has taken the crypto world by storm. Deng is up something like 130,000% with a market cap of over $209 million. Who knew cuteness could be so profitable?
Yeah. It's a wild ride, that's for sure. But not all crypto projects are fueled by memes and hype. Some are attracting serious funding by solving real-world problems. Take Anisha, for example.
Okay, I'm intrigued. What's Anisha all about?
Yeah.
So Anisha raised like $2.5 million in under 2 hours. That's insane. What's their secret sauce?
Well, they're tackling a major pain point in the blockchain world, making it easier for developers to build applications. Imagine building an app with like drag and drop tools instead of writing, thousands of lines of code. That's what Anisha is aiming for.
So they're like the WordPress of blockchain development.
Exactly.
Making it accessible to everyone.
Exactly. They want to empower anyone, regardless of their technical skills, to build on the blockchain. And with their recent funding success, it seems like investors believe in their vision.
That's a serious vote of confidence. It's incredible how much innovation is happening in this space. Speaking of which, let's talk about Akash Network. The Airbnb of cloud computing.
Yeah, it's a brilliant concept, really. Akash lets you earn passive income by renting out your unused computer power. Someone needs extra processing power for their project. They tap into the Akash Network, and boom, you're earning crypto.
So you're telling me my old laptop gathering dust could actually make me money? That's wild.
It's a win-win situation. Users get access to affordable computing power, and you earn rewards for sharing your resources. And the market seems to be taking notice. Akash's native token, AKT, is up a staggering 2,400% this year.
2,400%. Okay, need to fire up my old laptop. Seriously, though, this shows the potential for decentralized platforms like Akash to disrupt the traditional cloud computing market.
Absolutely. It's all about empowering individuals and creating a more open and accessible internet. And speaking of disruption, we can't forget about Hedera Hashgraph.
Right. This isn't your typical blockchain, is it?
Not at all. Hedera is built on Hashgraph technology, which is like the blockchain's super fast cousin. It can handle over 10,000 transactions per second with incredibly low fees, making it a serious contender in the world of enterprise blockchain solutions.
So if blockchain is a single-lane road, Hedera Hashgraph is a multi-lane superhighway. No more traffic jams.
Exactly. And it's not just about speed. Hedera has secured major partnerships with industry giants like Google, IBM, and Boeing, proving that they're here to stay.
That's impressive. They've got some serious backing.
And they're not slowing down. Hedera's push into asset tokenization is particularly exciting. Imagine a world where real-world assets like real estate or artwork could be easily traded on the blockchain with the same ease as cryptocurrencies.
That's a game changer. It could unlock so much liquidity and make investing more accessible to everyone.
It's about bridging the gap between the physical and digital worlds, opening up a world of possibilities.
Okay, my mind is officially blown. This is why I love diving into the crypto architects rundowns with you. We get a glimpse into the future of finance and technology.
It's a wild ride, that's for sure, but incredibly exciting. Who knows what next week will bring in the ever-evolving world of crypto.
That's the beauty of it. Big thanks to the crypto architect for the insights. And to all of you for joining us on this deep dive into the exciting world of crypto. Until next time, stay curious.